So what is actually inside of ASEA? If you're like me, the first thing you did when you learned about this product was look at the ingredients. And it says water and sodium chloride. Guys, sodium chloride is salt. It says salt water are the ingredients. Now, why in the world would you buy salt and water? You can go to the beach here in Florida and get salt water. You can go to your kitchen and you can make salt water. So what is actually in here? Why is this company over 16 years old? How are they doing sales in over 30 countries? What is actually inside of this? Why does it say it's a cell signaling supplement? And what the heck is this word redox all about? That is what we're going to cover in this video, and I want to share with you, and I'm also going to bring in Hunter Dean, who is the Senior VP of Research and Development at this company, ASEA, and he also oversees the production of this product. How they actually take salt and water and make something that is incredibly impactful for your health. Now, I always say, in my defense, when this came around, there was not this beautiful certification printed on the label. They hadn't partnered with that company yet. The company was very new when I came across them. And now, they have certifications and qualifications from GMP, NSF, FDA to actually certify their manufacturing practices. And we'll get into this in a moment, but I want you, before you write this off, before this incredible discovery passes you by, like it did for me for many, many months, because I just thought, oh, it's salt water, cursory look, and I kind of tossed it off and laughed. Take some time, sit with me and Hunter for a few minutes so we can help you understand what this is and why it's going to be impactful for you. So let's start with the first question. What is actually inside of ASEA? To answer this, I want to start with another question. What's actually inside of you? You are trillions of cells. Our cells make up all the tissues, organs, and thus systems of our body. But we are trillions of cells, and our cells are little sacs of saline. When you go to the hospital and they put you on IV, it's an IV of saline. When you cry, it's salty. When you sweat, it's salty. We are made from salt and water. And what is incredible is that our body uses these building blocks, the sodium and chloride of salt, and the hydrogen and oxygen of water to make many different molecules. I want you to think about it. You have salt water, you break it apart, we have sodium and we have chloride. We have H2O, water, we break it apart, we have hydrogen and we have oxygen. Now think about those four as building blocks. How many different combinations could you make of those? What if you did 2 hydrogens and 2 oxygens? Well, that's something that you probably have in your house actually. Hydrogen peroxide, H2O2. It is the same thing as water, but it has an extra oxygen. So you could say hydrogen peroxide is made from water. It's the same base ingredients. You following with me? Superoxide, hypochlorite, chlorine dioxide, right? These are all, I'm just naming off things that you could build. It's like taking a word and then breaking it down into its letters. Well, how many other words could you make from those letters? You can make a lot. And that's exactly what your body is doing. You see, your body is constantly churning out different molecules that they have different roles in the body, but they're made from these 4 building blocks. And when they end up with a negative charge, it's called a reductant. It reduces things. It donates its electron. When it ends up with a positive charge, it's known as an oxidant. It can receive an electron. All right, so reductants and oxidants are the terminology for these molecules, and they do reduction and oxidation. That's what happens in the body. That is where the term redox that you see on the bottle comes from. And interestingly, what does the back say? It actually says BQC Redox Technologies certified. They certify for the presence of these redox signaling molecules. So coming back to our question, what's actually in ASEA? We talked about what's in your body, saline, that is utilized as building blocks to make a lot of different molecules. Well, what goes into ASEA is the same thing. It starts with saline, and then it goes through an electrolysis process. And the hydrogen and the oxygen are broken apart, and the sodium and the chloride are broken apart, and all of a sudden you have these ions that are then turned into different molecules, redox signaling molecules, and that's what's inside of ASEA. Now the next question is obviously, well, prove it. You need to prove this to me. This looks like salt water. You need to prove to me that you've got something other than saline in here, that there's really reductants and oxidants. The first thing I'll tell you is taste the product. When you taste it, most likely it's going to taste a little bit like pool water to you. It's not going to taste like salt water. Like maybe you'll taste a little salt, and that's because there is a little bit, it sits in a little bit of a saline solution. So some people taste a little salty. I never do. But the company has various certifications. And so I'm going to let Hunter Dean explain this to you.
Manufactured exclusively at the Redox Center in Utah, in the United States, ASEA has earned several certifications, including FDA registration, NSF certification, and GMP compliance with annual audits, resulting in consistent top grades. We hold both halal and kosher certifications as well. And our facility operates with world-class quality control, ensuring every product meets the highest standards. Safety testing with Eurofins, a world leader in bioanalytical testing, confirmed that ASEA's redox signaling products are non-cytotoxic and non-mutagenic, underscoring product safety. BQC Redox Laboratories in Spain certify the presence of active redox signaling molecules in our products. ASEA has also patented the processes used to produce its redox products.
So you don't just have to take my word for it. You don't have to take Hunter's word for it. There are third parties out there certifying this, putting their reputation on the line, saying, yes, we have tested these products. Yes, there are redox signaling molecules in here. Now, I have also done a video, and you can watch this video and see I did an at-home test with a reagent to show that there was something happening, that this was no longer salt and water. And now we know through these certifications that, they're certifying that these reductants and oxidants are in fact in here. So how was this actually discovered? This is a massive breakthrough, being able to not just create these molecules, but to keep them stable. And so let's go back to Hunter to hear a little bit about that.
For many years, researchers have explored ways to supplement redox signaling molecules in your body to combat the effects of age, toxins, and environmental stress. In 2007, ASEA founders Vertus and Tyler Norton saw the potential in a revolutionary redox technology developed by a biotech company and acquired it. After extensive research and laboratory testing, ASEA has developed a patented technology that replicates these naturally occurring molecules outside of the body. ASEA is the first product in the world certified to contain active redox signaling molecules. Historically, only manufactured in small quantities, a team of researchers spent months finding a way to scale the production of redox signaling molecules in a shelf-stable form. Since the company's inception in 2010, tens of millions of bottles of ASEA and Renew 28 tubes have been sold, and ASEA now operates in 34 markets, impacting millions of lives around the world.
When I hear about this discovery, I really think about it as though they've gotten hot and cold water to be in the same vessel and not mix, right? We have these negative and positively charged molecules that are not reacting with one another. They stay stable until they touch something organic. Your body, right? That's why we swish it in our mouth. It starts working immediately. This is why we don't put it in metal. We don't mix it with anything, because we want these molecules reacting with your system, signaling in your body. So what molecules are actually in here, and how much and what concentration? It's a great question. And this is something I'd actually encourage you, if you're ever out in Salt Lake City, Pleasant Grove, Utah, where this is made, is not far from the airport, go check it out. They do tours. They'll take you through the whole thing. And you can see how this is made. But the one thing I want to make sure you understand is that, kind of like Coca-Cola or KFC, there's some IP here, right? There are some trade secrets that are protected. And so ASEA, part of their trade secrets and their intellectual property is the exact concentration, like the parts per million, of these different molecules that are in here and which reductants and oxidants are in here. Now, I will just tell you, you've got 4 building blocks. You can only make so many things. So, you can kind of deduce some things just with that knowledge, but that's why you don't know exact concentrations or exact details on that. And they're not playing games here. It's to protect the company. They want to make sure that they're able to continue to produce this, to continue to get this out to people. And it's benefiting so many. I mean, it gave me my life back. It is such a blessing. And we have so much gratitude to express towards ASEA for this breakthrough and for continuing to bring it to market in this way. I just want to make you understand, like, they have had multiple offers from pharmaceutical companies and private equity to purchase this. And what do you think would happen? Okay, there's a reason they protect this, and they protect it so well. Now, why would you want to drink this? This is a very good question. And to me, you have to understand some basic biology. These molecules, they're made in your mitochondria. And ever since puberty, actually, over the years, you've been making less and less of your own signaling. And you've probably felt it. You don't rebound as fast after a workout, right? Recovery is a little slower. You might feel that, your system's a little more sluggish. There's a bit more brain fog. You're not sleeping as well. You're getting up to go to the bathroom at time. You see things creep up as you age, not just in yourself, but in the people around you, that you don't see in kids. And part of the issue with aging is that our signal is weaker. When there's an issue, there's a call for help. And if you have a weak signal, the body doesn't know that there's an issue. And so supplementing with this, that's why they call it a cell signaling supplement, because when you supplement with this, you supplement the ability of the body to signal, for the signal to get loud again, for the body to detect issues again, for your recovery to go up, for your defenses to be stronger, right? Your innate immune system is signaled on. He talks about, Hunter does, about how this goes down to the profound levels of genetic expression. This is signaling on your genes, helping the body to become more robust, to get its defensive shields up. It's activating your antioxidant production. It's so profound. Now, that's outside of the scope of this video. Really, I wanted to get to the bottom of, well, what's actually in here? Can I trust this? And am I buying salt water? Hopefully now you understand that you're not, and I hope you continue to dive into more. Now, if this is something that you want to get started with, you want to see what Redox can do for you, your family member, just reach out to me. This is my phone number. You can WhatsApp me. And I'm always offering different discounts. So you can get 10% off with my code by going to my website. It is just my name, Danielle. You can put that in at checkout. And I'm happy to do a consultation with you. If you've got questions about which products you want, I always encourage people to get these gels because they work faster. They have the same certifications. It's these redox signaling molecules in here. This one is for everything on your skin. This one is for anywhere that you've got discomfort, right? Joints and muscles. There's so much to them. Please dive into this channel, learn more, and ask your questions directly to me.